The Month of the Military Child is a time dedicated to honoring the 1.6 million children of military families in the U.S. for their resilience, sacrifices, and unique experiences. Military kids may not wear a uniform, but they serve too. Military life means constant change. They adapt to new schools and communities with each move and endure the difficult periods of separation during deployments. Each April serves as a reminder to acknowledge the resilience they show in the midst of uncertainty and the challenges they face with remarkable strength. This year, Upwards proudly joins in the mission of supporting military children, acknowledging the difficulties they encounter and striving to make tangible differences in their lives. We assist military families by offering no-cost childcare that is accessible, high quality, and flexible during drill or training, battle assemblies, and emergency deployments. Discover the impact of Upwards from real military families.
I would say Upward is very efficient and very rapid in locating daycare providers and helping the service member get the child care they need before drill, even if it's last minute on their end.
This program has given me the confidence to sign an indefinite contract with the Army and continue my service. I cannot overstate how amazing it has been to have the stability for my kids and myself. This makes it a lot easier to stay and do the job.
I have my annual training coming up in a few months, and we're going to be able to have care for that as well. Just knowing that Branch is going to be taken care of at times when I'm gone is super helpful. And it takes a lot of stress off my wife's plate and therefore takes stress off of my plate because I can go and I can focus on my mission and what I need to do and know that my family's taken care of.
I dropped them off, I want to say 7 a.m. for my drill weekend, and I had a huge sense of peace of mind. I will continue using Upwards for my future drill dates.
We aim to provide these children with the stability, care, and support they deserve, ensuring that they can thrive despite the obstacles they may face. We stand committed to serving and uplifting military families and their children, celebrating their strength and courage throughout the month of the military child and beyond.